SMK Helmets.
Let's quickly walk through replacing key parts on your SMK Laminar helmet. Visor and mechanism replacement. Fully open the visor with your hand. Pull the visor out from its mechanism from one side. Repeat the same for the other side. You can also change the visor mechanism. Take a screwdriver, cover its metallic end with a soft cloth and take out SMK logo side plate. Remove the cover plate and visor mechanism. Place the new visor mechanism and press it back firmly into its holes. Check that it fits properly. Finally, align your new visor inside the mechanism until secure. Check that your visor moves smoothly. Top air vents replacement. Take a screwdriver, align it with the upper edge of the top air vent. Cover screwdriver metallic end with soft cloth and take out the upper vent. To reinstall vents back, put the vent back into its channel. Press down and ensure it fits properly in its channel. Cheek pads replacement. On your unstrapped helmet, open and detach the outer end of cheek pad with bare hands. Pull out the cheek pad completely. Now, put the cheek pad back into its space. Position the cheek pad and press firmly to snap it into the helmet. Liner replacement. There are 4 locks in the front liner in which its inserts fit in. Remove them one by one. Now remove the back of the liner by detaching 2 snaps. The entire liner gets removed now. You can clean or wash it and insert it back into its original position. Attach its 2 snaps. Make sure that the front liner inserts fit into their locks. Once done, check that every part is seated firmly and operates smoothly. Thank you for watching the video.
SMK Helmets.